Hi! In front of me is Oppo A78 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this device. First of all, go into Settings. In them, scroll down just a bit to access Display and Brightness. Then scroll down again and click on Font. Now click on one of those styles and check out Preview above. When you're ready, you can save your new style by tapping on Apply. So when I do that, as you can see, style of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!